Shalom and welcome to Masatva. This year is entitled Two Interesting Terms Regarding Neighbors and Interaction with Neighbors. Allah when there's stuff going on between neighbors, making noise and stuff, let's go to a posting to work things out if they can't work it out on their own. But two interesting terms the Poskim talk about is Ra'ash Ragil, regular noise, part of the daily living, and Ra'ash Harig, exceptional, which is not typical. And those are two things that neighbors have to work with. Rash Ragil, normal kind of noise. Children just making noise. That's part of the beautiful parts of life. Rash Harig is something exceptional. That's a little bit of a guideline for neighbors dealing with each other, but it's not all. There's so much more to it, but just interesting terms that come up in our Sugya. Shalom.